how to change slide duration in Canva. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Open up your browser and head over to Canva and then open up your presentation. Now let's say you want to change the slide duration, then tap on the slide on the timeline. Then at the top beside edit, you can see edit timing option. So the default time is 5 seconds. Now if you want to increase or decrease it, just tap on it. And then you can see the slider. If you move it to the left, then the duration will decrease. And if you move it to the right, you can see the slide duration will increase. And you can also toggle on apply to all pages and the timing will be uniform in all the pages. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.